Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we've got something massive, luxurious, and made for the long haul. The 2025 Kenworth Motorhome Camper Truck. If you've ever dreamed of hitting the open road with the power of a big rig and the comfort of a 5-star suite, this beast might just be your ultimate RV fantasy. Let's kick things off with the exterior. The 2025 Kenworth Motorhome is built on the legendary T880 chassis, and it's every bit as rugged as it looks. With its chrome grille, LED headlamps, and that towering presence, it commands attention on the road. But don't let the tough look fool you. This truck is all about luxury on the inside. Now, stepping into the interior, it feels like a luxury condo on wheels. We're talking plush leather seating, premium wood accents, a full-sized kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, and even a bathroom that rivals those in high-end hotels. The living area is spacious and smartly designed, with slide-outs that expand the interior space dramatically when parked. The master bedroom? It's got a queen-size bed, tons of storage, ambient lighting, and even a smart entertainment system. And yes, there's even a washer and dryer tucked in there. It's designed for long journeys with all the comforts of home. Under the hood, the Kenworth camper packs serious power, a PACCAR MX-13 engine with up to 510 horsepower and 1,150 lb-ft of torque. That means you can tow just about anything behind this and still cruise effortlessly through mountains and rough terrain. Plus, with its automatic transmission and advanced driving assists, it's surprisingly easy to handle for such a giant. Tech-wise, it's stacked. A digital dash, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, GPS navigation, and a full camera monitoring system for 360-degree awareness. It's like piloting a jetliner on wheels. One thing that really stands out is the build quality. Everything feels solid, from the cabinetry to the insulation. This motorhome is clearly made for those who live on the road or want to travel across the continent in absolute style. Of course, all this luxury doesn't come cheap. Depending on customizations, you're looking at a starting price well into the $400,000 range. But for serious road warriors, it could be worth every penny. So what do you think? Would you hit the road in the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome Camper Truck? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome automotive content. This is Honest Auto Wheels, and I'll catch you in the next one.